Hello, beautiful people. Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel, Be Your Best with JK. So, today's video is all about makeup. Yes, this is a special video for all the makeup lovers over there. So, in this video, I am going to tell you a glam and simple eye makeup, which is a smoky eye makeup, black smoky eye makeup. So, without getting any delay, let's get into the video. So to start this glam eye makeup, I'm first doing my eyebrows. So I have applied eye pencil and then I am distributing the product all over my eyebrows. Then I have applied primer. So I didn't have that, so I did a hack. I applied the aloe vera gel all over my eyelids and underneath my eye area. So it really works well. It also hydrates your skin. So I have applied it and just in patting motion I am distributing and that. So now I'm using Stay Quirky concealer. It is in stick form. So first I am going to clean my eyebrows with it, then I am going to apply it over my eyelids, and then I'm going to apply it underneath my eye area. So always apply eyeliner so always apply concealer in this way. First, clean the eyebrows, then apply on eyelid, then apply underneath your eye area in this triangular form. So it really works well. It brightens up your eyes. So I'm just blending it over with my fingers because I don't use any sponge over my eyes as it is too harsh for my eyelids. So I just blend it with my fingers and it works really well. So next I'm going to use Hilary Rhoda palette, that is also called HR palette. So this is a complete palette with the blusher and all that. So I'm using compact powder from it, just patting the excess powder from my brush and just touching my brush over my eyelid and eye area. I have put my video on a fast forward mode so that it will be looking like I'm just dragging over the brush, but it's not like that. I'm just patting little bit so softly to just spread the powder all over my eyes. So it's really important step to it. Then I am going to use these eyeshadows from the same palette. First I'm going to use skin shade. Yes, it's a skin shade. So I'm going to create a fake crease here. So for this, just use the lightest and just close to your skin tone shade of the shadow, and so that it can guide you properly without ruining your makeup. Yes. So take the lightest and closest shade to your skin. So after that I am just using the next to it darkest shade to intensify my line so that I can get the idea where I have to get the crease. So it is important to create the crease just below the outer corner of your eyebrow and just near the inner corner of your eyebrow, and then applying the next to it darkest shade. So it is the third one shade which I am applying from the skin shade to intensify the line and just blend it properly. Most important thing, blending is really important in any eye makeup. So if you blend properly, your eye makeup will look flawless. Next time using the darkest shade from the brown, next second darkest shade, so that I can intensify my crease to create a fake look so that I have a crease. So next I am blending it with the second skin color which I used to upward to remove any harsh lines which I have created while applying the eyeshades. So that's called the blending process. It's important, so always blend your harsh lines from it. So now I'm using the skin color to blend the next all over this. Now take any angular brush and use the darkest, I'm using the darkest one brown shade to create any fake just it's for beginner, so I am telling you this is a hack for beginner. If you don't know how to apply eyeliner or eyeshadow properly, not eyeliner to eyeshadow properly, so just create this fake box or fake outline so that you can get the idea where you have to apply the eyeshadows. So I am using the dark gray shade, not the black one first. Always use the lightest shade first, then go to the darkest shade to intensify. So I'm taking the dark gray shade and all over I'm applying all over my eyelid under the outline. So I'm creating the outline again with this dark gray shade, and then I am just applying all over the lid this shade. I love this shade. I don't know why, it's just a nice shade, not pure black or not pure gray. It's a lovely shade. So applying it properly without leaving any single drop space everywhere. So now I am taking the black one eyeshadow to intensify the gray one. So pat it all over your eyelids. So whenever you apply to whenever you have to intensify something or apply any eyeshadow, just pat the eyeshadow into patting motions. Do not drag your brush that much. I am dragging to create a shape, but I am blending in circular motions and applying the eyeshadow in patting motions. So these are the three things. Now I am taking again the gray one to intensify and blend the black eyeshadow so that the harsh lines can be covered easily. And this is the result which we are getting after blending. You can see the difference here. After blending, the eye look is so intensifying and soft. It looks so much good. So here you can see the result. When we have blended the eyeshadow, it looks so beautiful and gorgeous over your eyelids, and when you didn't intensify and blend it, it really looks like a kindergarten and put the eyeshadows over your eyes. So now I'm going to take black shade, and just applying it from the outer corner to mid of your eyelid. So I'm applying it. Also I'm making a line so that we can give a fake eyeliner look to a eye makeup. So it is a hack, and it is the actual eye makeup. You always have to make a line and create a fake shape of your eyes. Always do the makeup in this way. So now I am blending that black color with the darkest brown shade which we have used to create that fake outline. So I'm using that shade to blend it properly so that harsh line can be covered. You know that reason of blending. So now I'm going to take this skin shade, and I'm just creating a, this is for beginner, this tip is for beginners. So when you don't know how to apply, where to apply highlighter, just apply any lightest shade over there. So I am applying the highlighter over my brow bone. So where you have to apply it, from mid of your eyebrow to the end of your eyebrow. This is the only place where you have to apply a highlighter to your brow bone. So apply it properly so that it can get a beautiful look and illusion. Next I'm going to apply it in the middle corner, in the corner of my eyes, not middle corner. It doesn't exist actually. So I'm going to apply it in the corner of my eyes. Next I'm going to take NY Bay Kohl pencil in the black shade so that it can intensify my look more and more. So I'm applying it on my waterline, in the lower waterline, in the upper waterline, and then I'm using the Innocence mascara from Blue Heaven. So before this you can also add false lashes. I don't have that, so I applied just mascara and let it go the look. So here my look completes. So As you see, it's a really quick and easy look to create. Just you need a little bit of practice for blending. So if this video helped, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching for this video, and must give you a review that how you like this video and how much you learned from this video. And I will meet you in the next video. Till then, God bless you all and must take care of yourself. Bye bye, take care.